Alright, so this is Zifrand ZA68 and it is going to be an unboxing video as well as a review and some of my suggestions for the newcomer, those who want to take entry-level mechanical keyboard and not a lot of budget. I mean, if you have good budget, you can go for the famous companies, but in the around 30 to 40 bucks, I decided to take that because almost all of the reviewers, everyone, just saying the good things about it. It's pretty cheap, it has everything, it's heavy, sounds better, it has all of the functions, everything. I mean, I didn't find any bad reviews. Everyone just said it's awesome at the price range. Okay, I decided to get it and got delivered within a few days. It was an amazing journey at the beginning. So I started using it from day to day life. So I have to work Monday to Friday in my office for my remote job. So yeah, it was a pretty convenient things for me to work every day. And I'm in love with this keyboard after using some days. And it was 100% fine. Almost 8 months, I think. Yeah. After 8 months, there was something happened on my office, and they notified that from my computer, 80 GB file was deleted. Oh my god, that was frustrating for me. How is it possible to delete a lot of things from my computer? I don't know anything. I was blaming some of my family members. I was just asking them who opened my computer and who did all these things. And I also get a lot of things on my recycle bin that was not intentional. I did never deleted those things. So these are my initial findings, and still I don't know about all the things. I mean, how these things was happen. And later, when I started typing something on the Microsoft Word, I got a lot of things. Things are automated backspace, sometimes automatic space, sometimes a lot of alphabets, a lot of numbers are just typing automatically. So that was the initial issues. I sent it to the company as I have the warranty left for a few months, and they took almost 20 days just to investigate the issues. And after 20 days, they said they did not found any issues. They just sent it back to me, and that was frustrating. After 20 days, I got it, and I'm using it. I also got the same issues, and this time they want to record. So I recorded everything and sent it to them. And that's it, sent it to them again. So it was frustrating for me because I'm living in Chittagong city. I have to send it to Dhaka city with my own cost. I have to get it back from there to my location from my cost. I mean, I have to spend the courier fee for just to ship it to the company and get back from them. Okay, it happened twice, and after a few days, I think 10 to 15 days, they just give me an update that I am getting a replacement. So that was amazing for me. I mean, I just got relieved because there was some few days left for the warranty. It took a lot of time to just back and forth, back and forth. So that was the issues with that keyboard. I don't know what happened to the others, but that's my issue. Yeah, that was frustrating, although it was an amazing keyboard for me at the beginning. But at the end, the things happened on my computer Dropbox, although we recovered all those files from Dropbox, but that is pretty frustrating. So let me know, guys, what do you think? And do subscribe. And just a few tips for the newcomers. So if you're a newcomer, don't believe any of the YouTubers. Those are reviewing all these things. Because if you're trusting someone that reviewed that unit, that might be sponsored. And that kind of things are really bad to make purchasing decisions. And it is better to take the verified from the verified company and from the verified supplier that is nearest to you, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to send it to them and get back from them. And always go for authentic reviews. Thank you so much.